Hi guys, it's Sherry, and I'm back with something fantastic. Y'all stay tuned. Haven't we just been enjoying ourselves with these wonderful file folder crafts? I mean, my goodness, they have been so easy to make and yet so beautiful. There is a side effect. Crafting like that creates so many scraps. You have scraps upon scraps upon scraps, and they're just too pretty to throw out. Even the tiniest pieces are just too stinking cute to toss. So what do we do with them? Well, I'm going to show you one of the things that I'm doing with mine right now. So here is what I have been doing with some of mine. I have been creating these absolutely fantastic tags, and I've been making them using the leftover white pieces that I've had when I'm making cards, and the inside liner piece always has some leftover white paper. And then I have been using some of the scraps that are generated from the file folder crafting. And I love how these have turned out. I think that they are just so cute. And imagine these hanging from a gift or a basket. So sweet. And we are going to make these right now. We're going to make two, and I'll show you just how quick and easy it is. So the size of your tag is really up to you, but I cut down a strip and I cut it at 2.5 inches across, 4 inches long. And then what I did was I reduced my liner by 1/4 inch this way and 1/4 inch this way. So this is now 2 1/4. And this is now 3 3/4. And the first thing that I want to do is I want to use my scissors just to make a little tag shape. You don't have to do anything fancy with these. And that's why you can sit in front of the TV if you want, not watching the news, but maybe binge watching something on Netflix or whatever your favorite show is to watch. You can certainly sit in front of the TV and just crank these little cuties out. So now I'm going to use my tape and just place my tape on the back. And when I put these down, I'm going to put them down so that I have a border on all 4 sides, like this. And I'll go ahead and do this one too. Okay, so once I have them stuck down, I will use my scissors just to come back and trim off the file folder part to mirror the shape of the white piece. And now I'll use my punch, and I am going to try to get the center, probably won't, but close enough. Punching a hole, and my hole is 1/8 inch. So now we have these two, and I am going to go ahead and decorate right now. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I am going to bring in this sheet, and I want to use this sweet little butterfly, and I want that butterfly to be right there on the bottom because I think that that is just so cute. So then I have this little tag, and I am going to place just a little glue on that and just put it out like that. It doesn't serve any purpose except adding to that cuteness factor. And guys, let me show you some of the embellishments that I'm working with. So I am truly crafting my haul. So I've been going through a lot of the things that I have, and I'm working with my brads, my paper flowers. I have just been pulling out baskets of my haul items so that I can use them during this time, and that is what is sustaining me in crafting, the fact that I am a supply hoarder. So now we have this one, and then we'll go ahead and do number 2. So for number 2, I am going to take just a little bit of this rickrack, and I am going to add some glue to it. And I'm going to get it stuck down. Hopefully you guys can hear my birds outside. I have my door closed right now because Mike is doing some yard work and it's a little bit noisy. So I am just going to get that stuck down. You could also decorate the backs of these if you want it. And I'm trimming off my excess. And I'll use my bone folder just to make sure I've got this nice and stuck. All right, so then I want to work with this beautiful paper flower here, and I am going to put some hot glue on the back of this and put it down right there. And then I have this brad, and I took the prongs off of the back, and I am simply going to place some hot glue on this, and then I want to stick this right there just as a decorative touch. So you can see that we can use so many different things to dress up our tags. We don't always have to do conventional crafting. We can actually step outside of the box and just use all types of things to make something pretty. Okay, and then the last thing that I want to do is I want to take just a little bit of green twine that I have, and I am going to just feed it through and create the stringy portion of my tag so that I can actually place this onto something. So I'll take this one and do the same thing. So now we have 2 more beautiful tags to go along with the other 4 that I had already made. And I think that this is just so fantastic and such a cute and fun way of using up scraps and turning them into something that we can truly use in our crafting. So you guys have already seen this particular Easter basket. Now this basket needs a gorgeous tag on it, whomever I'm giving it to. So now you can see just how gorgeous these little tags work. You can actually write your sentiment on here, attach it to your basket or to whatever gift it is you're placing it on, and you have got such a beautiful little gift tag on your present. And you'll know what, as I'm picking up these tags, check this out. We could actually take these tags and fill our Easter basket with tags and embellishments and all types of goodies. And that would be such a fantastic Easter gift to receive. I know it's what I would like to receive. Instead of receiving things that I'm probably not going to use, I would love to receive a basket of embellishments or tags or something that I could really use in my crafting. And I'm sure that you guys probably know someone who would also like to receive this. So I am going to just lay these back out so you guys can see all of this scrappy goodness. We made some great use of our scraps. So guys, I hope that you have liked this project. And if you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join my online crafting family. You guys, stay safe, happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.